This is how camping should be. Right, Bailey? Oh, yeah. Oh, you got goops in your eyes. Sleeping so much, you get goops. Yeah. Had a really busy weekend camping somewhere else. Full of all these new friends. And all the kids. Chasing the kids everywhere. Now you need a week to recover, huh? Oh, yeah. Oh, it's nice and warm. You see anything outside today? Let's see out this side. No, I don't see anything. I'll go outside for a bit. Do I need to put your collar on, or are you going to behave? You going to stay close? I think you will. I think you will. You're not going to go anywhere. Ooh, it's cold. Did something walk through there last night? It is fresh out this morning. Ooh. Fall is coming. Hey, are you gonna hang out? What are you gonna do? I'm getting cold. She might have to go number 2. I might have to cut this short. What are you doing over there? Find a squirrel up the tree? Yep. Now the wood pile. Where'd the tail go? There it is. Uh-oh. There it is. Do you want a pepper? Little treat? Or are you gonna stay out there and sniff? What's stronger, the stomach or the nose? You want a treat? Okay, come inside. I have a little pepper for you. Oh, wow, it's cold. Oh, what have we got here? Yeah. What do we got here? You don't like that top part. Nobody does. That one for you? There you go. We're good. We're gonna stay here all week and get some rest, right? Yeah. Get some work done. Get some rest.